Hey, you know, sit down now on my head. Help, people! Over here! Over here!
You're a Homo sapien.
There you go! I didn't say that, she did! Hi, what's up? Can I go to the bathroom?
I so totally wish this was a director's cut. Oh, laugh my ass off.
I'm good. Let's see if I can...
Oh, that hole's not big enough.
What if it is? Let's see.
It fits earrings through it, though. Don't make it bigger.
Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it! Let's get on with this piece of crap. What is it? What? Okay.
Just start running. They'll attack you. Don't worry.
Today we're gonna learn on dog safety. Let's ask
Show me your treats.
What?
Show me your treats. Boy, she's got mailman. She got yummies. Go get the treats. Dumbass trying to run from dogs.
Oh my God.
That don't even chase her.
Dog, I'm gonna come get you.
You should so totally use your dog for this. My dogs are like really nice.
Got this?
Get her, Zach! Get her! Get her, honey bunny! He hates you. They'll stop chasing you to go to the pool area. They're terrified of the pool.
I'm cute.
But dog safety, mate, you're not supposed to run from the dog. You're supposed to crouch down on the ground.
Fetal position!
Please put your head in it. Ow! Come on, stay. It's over there. Einstein now. You passed it. Nothing. Just keep going. I'm videotaping a pole.
I'm the host of the video. I'm not the host of the
Person wanted.
I'm going over here now. Ready, guys? Let's go! Did I ever introduce the person behind the camera?
Nope.
Let's introduce her right now. This is Puppy. Turn the camera around. This is Puppy. And this is the house baby. See this? Go back there!
You can't even see it. The grass is the same color as it. Brown.
Come here, Niko. Alright.
Zachary, you're getting cold. You're cold. You're getting warmer. Warmer. No, cold. Warm. Good boy. This is his favorite game. That's Niko's. Oh, no, the retarded is. Okay.
Okay, no one of you saw that, right?
Throw that in the, up in the air and Zach will catch it. Zachary! Zach! Don't eat grass! What's bad for you?
Ready?
Well, you threw it halfway across his face.
I know. Well, thank you for watching.
Have a nice day.